Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your GitHub link into your LinkedIn. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to log in into your GitHub. And after that, you will need just to get the link of your repositories and then we will be needing to add it into our LinkedIn contact information. And basically, after logging in, we will be needing just to go to the profile. So in my case, I'm just going to this profile, and we can simply your profile and get your own GitHub. And here we will be needing to go to our LinkedIn profile. So I'm just going to LinkedIn and click on my profile, and from here you will find all this information. So basically, you have activity, experience, education, licenses, or whatever. And now we want just to add some contact information. So those are current position, education, location, and here we will find contact info. So we'll just click on contact info and simply in the websites, you will need just to click on add website. We click and paste our GitHub, and from here you can just click on portfolio. So since the GitHub it can be a portfolio for your project and for your repositories, etc. You just make portfolio or personal or whatever you like, and basically here let's just click on save. And now we will be able to save this link and let's just refresh our link. And basically here we will have our GitHub or our link as a contact information. And simply this is how you can add your GitHub link or any link into your LinkedIn. Thank you for watching and see you next time.